Alright, this is how to build a computer tutorial. First thing you need would be a case, which I have right here. The coolermaster CM690. And next you would need a optical drive, video card, hard drive, RAM, CPU, motherboard, and your power supply. Alright, take your golden thumb screw and in the holes provided in the case, screw them in tightly. Alright. You put them accordingly where your motherboard would be located in the screws, the holes, so you can screw down your motherboard. Alright, this is your IO shield. Your case usually comes with one and is right here. Take that out if it has one, and take your new one from your motherboard and replace it. Alright, make sure it's tight. You gotta be careful too, because you can cut yourself. This next step is you want to put your CPU into the motherboard before you put the motherboard into the case. I find this much easier. Alright. Usually your CPU will have a golden little arrow on the corner, and your motherboard should too. But since this is an Intel platform, the Intel format, they have grooves on the side right here. They have grooves. And the motherboard, they have them too, so you can't really put them in wrong. So first thing you would want to do is push on this lever and pull out towards you, and it should lift up. Then next you open that. Okay, take your CPU and you find the ridges along right here and right here. Line them up with your CPU and just put it in. Alright, close it, and then take the lever, push it down hard, and snap it in. And here's where you would put thermal paste on the CPU and your cooler. But since I don't have mine yet, I'll leave it to there. Alright, this is where we still have our motherboard outside of our case. Next we will be installing the RAM onto the motherboard. Here are your RAM slots. They range from 1 to 4 slots. I have the 4 slot model. Alright, first choose your slot 1, and open the top. Take your RAM and put it in. It only can go in one way, so do not force it in. Alright, put it in and you push from the top and the pin should come up and close it. Make sure the pins are tight. Alright, next you want to choose slot 3 since if you're running a dual RAM, and you just slide it in as you did with slot 1.
I hear you, man. Vi sitter här i väntan och spelar lite Dota. I feel you, man.
Alright, this is where we still have our motherboard outside of our case. And next we will be installing the RAM onto the motherboard. Here are your RAM slots. They range from 1 to 4 slots. I have the 4 slot model. Alright, first choose your slot 1, and open the top. Take your RAM, put it in. It only can go in one way, so do not force it in. Alright, put it in and you push from the top, and the pin should come up and close it. Make sure the pins are tight. Alright, next you want to choose slot 3 since if you're running a dual RAM, and you just slide it in as you did with slot 1. And you're done. Alright, this is where we put in the motherboard. So have your case and your motherboard are lined up. Take your motherboard, slide it in. And they should line up with the golden dumpsters you installed earlier. Now you would take your screwdriver, alright, you take your screws from the motherboard and screw them all in. Or you can leave it. Locate your internal headers from your case. They come from your case. They're labeled power LED, power switch, hard drive LED, reset switch, and maybe some others. But those are the main ones. Locate the internal headers on your motherboard. Mine is right here. Usually it's located at the bottom, right hand corner. Refer to your manual what each one means, and you go ahead and connect them. So far this is what it looks, and now this is where we install our graphics card or any other PCI slots or any extra add-ons from the motherboard. An example, the USB that they included with mine, 4 extra USBs.